Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll teach you one key things you need to know before you give your phone to anybody. Make sure you know this, because this is what scammers use most of the times to steal your information. And you'll be wondering, how did they know my password? How did they get my information? How they get your information is very simple. Someone that know you, someone who know you very well, sometimes will help you collect your phone. And after they collect your phone, they will go to your setting and get some information, some sensitive information. And after they steal that information, they will use it to rape you. So how do you do, what can you do to protect your information, most especially your password? Go to your setting. Let me show you something. Once you go to your setting, you come to this place, setting. And once you go to your setting, go to where you will see fingerprint, face data and screen lock. For some phone, because I'm using Redmi, some phone you just see, they will tell you, they will say security. Click on it. Make sure you if your phone is using fingerprint, make sure you set up a fingerprint for your phone. And if it is me, I have already set it up. I have already set, you can see they asked me to confirm my password. I have already set it up. If your phone is not using fingerprint, if it is face unlock, make sure you set it up. If it is face lock, set it up. If it is normal password, set it up. Even if it is pattern or any type of password, make sure you set it up so that it will prevent hacker from accessing your information without you knowing it. And this is the only way you can protect your information. Because once you do it, even if anybody go to your Google Chrome to get your safe password, they can't get it without that particular password. Let me go to my Google Chrome and show you what I'm talking about. So once I go to my Google Chrome, I'll come to this three dot by this right corner. I'll tap on setting. Then I'll tap on Google Password Manager. You can see. Now let me tap on all this account, register account that you are seeing here. They are automatically saved here. The password is saved here automatically. Let me click on this Facebook. You will see that they will not display because I set up a security for this. So as I click, you can see they say I should use my fingerprint before they will open this place for me. And that is how you can do it, so that even if it is your friend who want to rip you, who want to steal your information, once they carry this your phone and come to this place, without this password they can't access it. And with this, you have protect your account information. This is the only way. So if you know, you understand this video and you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for being following.